Hey, Mike here. I've just updated my GitHub profile. As you can see here, I have a pretty fancy README, if I do say so myself. And while I am importing a lot of my projects from previous years, I've decided to make two crucial things public. I think number one, most importantly to this channel, since it's primarily about Obsidian, is I've made my Obsidian templates public. As you can see here, once again, you have a very nice little README. By the way, I do have a README generator, which I will release to Patreon subscribers in the not too distant future. But anyway, I have two different types of templates in this Obsidian templates repository. The first one is more general templates, such as the base prompt that I use for my ChatGPT bots, as well as other things such as my daily journal template. It's pretty simple. I've decided that less is more when it comes to daily journals. But anyway, this is certainly going to grow as time goes on. These templates in the templates directory here are part of the templates core plugin. However, the next little directory here, which is specifically text generator / prompts, this is due to the text generator plugin itself. Now, I have a lot of videos dedicated to this plugin because frankly, it is, in my opinion, revolutionary when it comes to how one can utilize Obsidian and AI simultaneously. But yeah, this used to be behind the Patreon subscription, but I've decided, you know what? Instead of having to spend so much time trying to maintain everything in a closed off fashion, I'd rather just put it up on a public Git repo, which I can just update much more quickly. Now, that doesn't mean that the Patreon is useless. There are still a lot of very Patreon-specific resources that I think a lot of people will find very useful, not to mention that it really does help when it comes to supporting me and helping me make more of this type of content. But yeah, anyway, I have a few other things in the works, especially when it comes to Obsidian. We are back on track with a daily posting schedule. The second nice little thing that I've decided to make public are my dot files. Now, I don't want to bombard you with all of the little nuanced scripts that I use all across my system, but when it comes to things like my ZSHRC and my tmux configuration, my NeoVim, Ranger, blah, 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 you get the idea. I think, you know what, why not make it public? I know that I myself have curated my configs from multiple GitHub repos that have also publicized their own dot files. And so I just want to pop mine into the mix and hopefully, hey, even if one of these lines is something that you'll utilize, well, maybe not this one because that's a comment, but I don't know, maybe setting your line numbers relative in Ranger. I just recently added that actually. So hey, maybe this will be that for you. That is it for today's little update. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.